Hiya, it's Gaz here from Moth Creaturae. Just a quick update on this bed build that I'm doing at the moment. So you'll see on the last videos, I got the sort of frame made. Well, certainly both the ends, the headboard and the footboard. I've got to do the side sort of panels today and the trim, but they're relatively easy. It was the headboard and the footboard that needed to be correct, and then the bits in between are just like sort of, well, they are what they are, aren't they? So what I figured I would tackle was, well, I've got a bit of motivation in us, was this headboard, the sort of metal cladding of it. So I don't know if you remember, I posted a while ago on our Moth Creaturae community group, and I put like a daft, like, it was almost like a Where's Wally picture. It was a picture of me bloody scrap pile, and I like literally put, can anyone say anything that creative they could make out of this, you know, like, and in there was some flumes, some double insulated metal flumes from the log burner that I've got in my workshop. So I had like 4 panels spare, well 3 and a half I suppose, because it was only a small one. So what I did was, because I knew I wasn't going to use them and they sounded pretty beat up and knackered, like the sort of insulation inside, I just took my angle grinder to them, chopped them out, and then left us with like sort of some sheet metal. So I figured I would use that. So you'll see on my mess today on my floor, I'm just busy cleaning it, because that's pretty much how it looks like when it come off my chimneys. And after just a quick going over with my scourer, it comes up like that. So I figured before I do anything, I've got to cut roughly the size, give them a good scouring today, get them cleaned up, cut them to the right shapes that I want, drill them all with me where I'm going to rivet them, and then I'll give it another going over before I like sort of assemble it, just to make sure it's nice and clean and kind of sterile, you know. I don't want to be putting cladding on a headboard that's going to be next to like my kid when he's breathing through his sleep, and it's got potentially harmful sort of shite all over it, you know what I mean. Right, well, hopefully the next video this will be built. If it's quite interesting, I might make another video, show you how I'm doing it, but otherwise I'll just get it built and then I'll show you the finished article. Okay, well, till next time, take care, bye bye.